The court grants the motion. Michael, do you believe they grant it with prejudice, without prejudice, such that she has to be tried again? I want to assume that they do it without prejudice. She's allowed to be tried again, okay? And we have the report that maybe these bullets came from Seth Kenney and PDQ. We also get in this report from this third expert who says there were some problems with the gun that they don't think was caused by the testing that could have made it possible that the trigger, or it happened the way Alec Baldwin suggested, that he didn't pull the trigger. Does that change the result? Because at the end of the day, what she's being charged with, she should have been the last line of defense to any of these real bullets getting on the set. Does that help her in a retrial?
You literally just said exactly my sermon on this case earlier today. I think this she should be getting she should not be dismissed with prejudice, because at the end of the day, her role in this event was different than Alec Baldwin, right? But she should get a new trial because there's exculpatory evidence. There's a big, gigantic, sore thumb in the room, right? There's exculpatory evidence that was not given to her attorneys. What's the harm? Give it to the attorneys. But I don't believe that they're going to dismiss, the judge is going to dismiss her case with prejudice, because at the end of the day, she should have her day in court, and she should have her day in court with all the exculpatory evidence. There is a universe where they would have given this evidence and she still would have been convicted. There's a universe. She was the first person to be tried. Somebody had to pay. Somebody had to be punished. And she was the official armorer on the case. And a live round did get past her into that gun. The malfunction of the gun and all of that, her job was already done by that point. She's just basically saying one of the exit ramps in my mistake was taken away by me, and I had some exculpatory evidence that would have said there's one more exit ramp on the highway to her death, and it was precluded from me. So, but I don't think it'll be dismissed with prejudice.